G'day, this is Dave from Dave's Model Workshop. I'm in my bathroom today, not in my workshop. So I just managed to get CA glue all over my fingers. You can see it everywhere. Feels funky as all of those, and I've actually got some paper stuck to this finger from where I was trying to clean it all up. Not my best moment. So I'm in the bathroom getting rid of this. Righto. So this is how you get rid of CA glue, super glue off your fingers. Alright, put the soap, warm soapy water, soak the little buggers first. So annoyed with myself. And this kind of softens the glue a little bit, but yeah, it's not enough to get it off there. You're going to be walking around with funky fingertips for days. Then the next thing you need, nail polish remover, and it has to have acetone in it. Hope you can read that there. Ingredients, acetone. So I'm just using a makeup pad here with the acetone and just really wiping it off. It dissolves the CA glue. Most of that's off now. It stinks, this stuff. Honestly, every time my partner cleans her nails, I can't stay in the room. This stuff smells ghastly. And she says the same thing about my model paints. How can you stand to be near them? If you can stand model paints, you can stand acetone nail polish remover, but no, it's horrible stuff. It stinks. Alright, that's coming off. You can see it's mostly off now. Bits of nail polish pad thing remover stuck to it. But yeah, that's coming off. So that's how you get rid of super glue off your fingers, guys. It's a slow process. It's a pain in the bum. Otherwise it feels funky for days. And then really, really, really important, when your fingers are covered in acetone like this, make sure you give them another wash before you go back to your plastic model, because that stuff can be bad for it. So there we go. After about 4 minutes, 5 minutes of getting at it with the acetone, it's all gone. It's good because otherwise it stays around for days and your fingers just feel weird and phantom limb kind of stuff for days. Happens to the best of us. I still get super glue on my fingers after 30 years of modelling. Can't believe it. I hope this has helped you guys. Look at those beautiful fingers now. Hope this has helped you and get you out of a sticky situation in the future. Sadly, pun intended there. I'll see you next time on Dave's Model Workshop. Bye.